Join me in painting this enchanting winter scene using watercolor. The sketch for this painting is provided here. You can pause the video to draw the sketch. The background is painted using the wet on wet technique. So I begin by wetting the area with clear water. Now I'm mixing Prussian blue with ivory black to create a bluish grey shade which I use to paint the background. Before painting the background, let's add the glow of light using Naples yellow and rose madder. First I apply a light value of Naples yellow around the street lamp. Then I mix Naples yellow with small amount of rose madder to create an orange shade which I paint next to the light value of Naples yellow. After painting the glow of light, I now use the mix I created earlier on my palette to paint the background. After painting the background, I tilt the board to allow the pigment to flow freely in all directions, blending seamlessly with Naples yellow that has already been applied. This technique helps to achieve a natural blend of the light glow with the background. One important caution to follow while tilting the board is to ensure that the background pigment doesn't completely run into the Naples yellow area. While there should be a light glow, it is essential to achieve a blend of the background color with the light glow without merging them fully. I'm satisfied with the background, so I paint the foreground using a light value of the mix of ivory black and Prussian blue. I then tilt the board to let the excess pigment to collect near the tip, which I wipe away with a waistcloth. The paper is starting to dry now. It's still wet but almost ready to dry. At this stage, I sprinkle table salt on the wet paint to create a soft snowfall effect. After sprinkling the salt, the texture starts to form. At this point, I use my hair dryer to dry the paper immediately. Once the paper is dry, gently scrub off the salt. Next, I am using a dark value of the ivory black and Prussian blue mix to paint the street lamp. After painting the base of the street lamp, use a light value of the same mix to paint beneath it. This creates a soft blend of the snow on the ground with the base of the street lamp. Now I use a light value of Naples yellow to paint inside the light fixture. Next, I am drawing two figures walking in the snow. For the first woman, I use Prussian blue for her shirt and bluish grey for the pants. For the second woman, I use rose madder for her shirt and a brown pigment for her pants. Finally, I'm adding shadows to these human figures. We have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor painting content. See you in next video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.